Good morning. Guess this is the girl that I hear.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Good morning. Guess this is the girl that I hear everyone talking about, Trishanna. You know what I mean? She there start off with a local business and thing. Yeah, she a local official shop over there at James Street and BUSIN3SS Street. You know what I mean? You know, so spoilers community. So this is a local start of the business. You know, so she gonna have all kind of local things, fruits, you know what I mean? Local snacks, juice, all of these local things, you know what I mean? So this is Trishanna starting off with a local business. She'll wait for a local shop to finish off right at James Street and BUSIN3SS Street, peeps. The room done already, I say a room finished, you know what I mean? So the kitchen are now left to finish up and things. So whosoever do the good for her, don't stop. Just continue to do the support for her, you know what I mean? Because she there do the right thing, nobody follow mouth.
Go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, go Trishanna, go Trish. Good morning! Yeah man, I don't know the thing, but people don't know say NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. You understand? So today is our Happy Tuesday. I don't know, it's not a bad Tuesday. You know what I mean? So now people, see there, Trishanna them say now kick off our local business. You get me I say? Yeah man, Trishanna have our local business and you can say local apple upon it, local ripe banana and things, same way. You know what I mean? But boy, this video was posted on Facebook yesterday people, and me I tell you say, it was blowing up with comments and thing. You understand me say I reading through comments, boy. I can say we are 99 of the comment them, you know. And this Trishanna about the business, you know, people. And me have to say, oh my bird, oh my precious NEWLINK. Them can't support Trishanna with the local business. All if the business is one $100 business. Come on, man. She has started, you know, man. She has started something. Some of them must say, yo, Trishanna, your hairstyle more expensive than a few local ripe banana. Then we have a local apple and the business and a one box of cornflakes. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. But NEWLINK now nothing bad to say about the business, people. Honestly, me not gonna tell no lie. You get me? I say, me nah nothing bad to say, because in the end, you know, if somebody has start a business, no matter what I start from, they have to start from somewhere before them can reach up there. You get me? Because I remember when I was conducting my local fruit business and me did start with about 3 ripe banana and 2 platin and 1 pine until it did blow up and be something big. You get me? I say, because sometimes, you know, people, you want to go on, it's not where you start with, no, but when somebody say have the potential to start something and they come in and fit in and help you, you know. So now people are commenting and say, yo, I certain Trishanna look again for her because she want people to sorry for her now and invest in the business. What kind of business that Trishanna do? Some people are say, yo, I don't fear her business as somebody she just go there to do if you look more donation again. Me I tell us that the people them a blow up on Trishanna. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. But people, what you think about it and Trishanna business? What do you think? Do you think it's something that she's serious about, or do you think it's something where she does a, you know what I mean? What you think? What you think? Because honestly, they must say Trishanna look value more we are the business because her hairstyle alone look like a 10 grand hairstyle. They must say she make up herself. And I say she's not to take care of herself, man. Come on, people. She have to take care of herself no matter what. All if a thief in money. You get me? I say because number one Trishanna and then dip in another pocket and take your money out there now. We have to understand that. You get me? I say look into it now, man. People get donation, yes, even though them say a lie, she tells her she live in a board house and sitting there, the whole piece of something there, but still yet people, come on, people get donation, and not get donation, and get it from your heart. Just know what you do. You do it from your heart, and a blessings, you know, you get, you know. You get me? I say you don't look strength out the road or friendship when you get donation. And that's why I respect people who donate to my church or any time or anything like that, you know what I mean? Because when they donate, they do it from them heart. Because you see when me give people things, people, I do it from my heart. First of all, I tell you this, I'm saying in my video them already. If a man link me like a crackhead and say NEWLINK me hungry, me want some food, first thing to image me I gotta say, you sure you need some food? You gonna buy food? and him say, yes, NEWLINK, me I go buy food. If the food location is close by, I will buy it from there for him if he want it. If Mr. say no want it that way, then he not gonna get the money. Then people, you are going now. If him decide say you have food him want on location, me give him the money, cause from my heart I give him to buy food. If he want to take it go buy smoke and dope, it up to him. But when God see when me ask him, a food him tell me, so he might get the sin and me get the blessing, because in the end, he tell me a lie. So anything you do, man, do it from your heart, see? And no matter what people in a life, anybody can change. I just promise the life, you see it? So even if Trishanna makes a mistake, because still she respect the lady named Miss Donna, you know what I mean? No matter what, she respect Miss Donna, see him here. So no matter what, you know, if our business, I wish her success, you know. Because no people are saying enough here, but as me I tell no people, me not gonna say enough here. Me just wish her success and prosperity in our business and full growth in our business and lot of accomplishment where she can take care of her youth. Them you get me? I say, yeah man, I hope she really serious about her business. But Trishanna, from NEWLINK to you, it's a good luck and good luck in your business. Go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, kick it out Trish, go Trish. Go Trish, go Trish, go Trish, go Trish. See, I don't know the thing of people. As me telling you in the morning, the vibe's sweet, the vibe's nice, the vibe's great. You know what I mean? Big up to the Selman and peace out and respect. Attack them NEWLINK. Straight attack. Enough love. You understand? Don't get the attack wrong and don't get the attack twisted, because many people are say, yo, NEWLINK certain things and have to attack. Listen me, I say, man. We don't attack this in a bad way, it's a good way. And first, before I go people, just want to know this, right? See, anybody out there, we don't have some relationship problem, we don't feel like give up on life, you get me? I say, we don't go through some depression, we don't go through the last moment of our life, we can't take things no more. Listen, NEWLINK, I go telling you right now. I have someone who is there for you, free of charge. They're gonna volunteer. All you do, link NEWLINK. My number is below the video. You can find my number on Instagram or email. Link NEWLINK, and I will give you that person number. You can call them through WhatsApp. We don't have to burn off much expensive minutes if you want. And I tell you whatever problems you will go through, and your information, whatever you talk to this person about, will be keep confidential. You understand? So don't worry on yourself, as me telling you, we just get ready up. You understand? Don't bother give up our life. No, it's no birthday. You get me? So any man out there who feel like so yo, they woman are gonna make them kill them and kill themselves after, listen me, I have the person to fix you. And me assure you this, when she fix you, she gonna fix you good, she gonna fix you right. Remember NEWLINK telling you. See, I don't know the thing of my people, it's NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. I remember what to do, follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. Follow me on Facebook, NEWLINK Production, on Twitter, NEWLINK Production. And listen people, don't give up on life. You understand? And be careful of the friends that you keep, because not everybody who with you say them are your friend. You understand? Be careful of friend enemy. Be careful of friend enemy. Be careful. Okay, peace out. Attack.